Hey guys, Amelia here with Mama Bear Reviews, and today I am back with a little different video. It's still a review, but we're actually going to do a compare and contrast video from the Teo Clean toothbrush line. So, as you know, if you've seen my last review, which I will link down below, I love the Teo Clean Sonic toothbrush, but now Teo Clean is actually coming out with a new toothbrush called the Umma Go. So we're going to talk about that toothbrush and we're going to compare it to the original Sonic toothbrush and just see kind of the differences, pros and cons. Is it worth getting a second toothbrush? Which one should you get if you're looking at getting one? All the details. So let's get into it. Okay, so first I will start by saying thank you to Teo Clean for sending me this video or this product to do a video. The video itself is not sponsored. They didn't pay me to do a video. They just sent me the product to test and see if I liked it and do a comparison video. So first, thank you to Teo Clean for sending me the new Umma Go toothbrush, and let's get into it. So you've seen my other video, which I will, like I said, I will link below. This is the original Sonic toothbrush. So it has the base. This is the base of it. When it's plugged in, the plug goes on the back, and the toothbrush itself, it has different settings. So this is the original toothbrush. It is like a normal size. It is probably a little longer than a normal size toothbrush. It has the different settings, quiet and for sensitive teeth, or if you really want a good deep clean. The brush heads do come off. Like I said, I'm not going to go into super detail about this toothbrush because I did a video on it, but this is the original. You plug it in. It has that same technology as the Germ Shield, that's just a sanitizing stand for any toothbrush. I will link that down below too. It has a night light switch on it, which I use so my kids, when they get up in the middle of the night, it's like a little night light, and it's not full blown. It's just a little blue hue night light. It has the UV sanitizing base and charges it all in one. It just kind of sits on my counter. Looks beautiful aesthetically on the counter. This comes in a ton of different colors. And yeah, so this is the original. Now, this is the Umma Go. So it's significantly smaller. It is way more compact. The toothbrush itself is smaller. This one's more like a regular size toothbrush. The stand has that same UV technology that kills 99.9% of bacteria and germs, and it sanitizes it, and all of it still has that in the base, which is great. So they didn't get rid of that. That's still the same. The difference, this doesn't have a charging port. It is battery operated. So that's the pretty cool thing. It is battery operated. You just stick the batteries in there and you're good to go. Stick it on. It lights up. I don't know if you can see. It lights up, which means it is sanitizing it, all that good stuff. And it is charging it, but by battery instead of cord. So makes great to travel with. Compact, so you can throw it in a suitcase or whatever, put it on the little stand in the hotel. Like I said, let's do a compare here. Significantly smaller. Circumference wise, it definitely, it's just a smaller circumference. It's a smaller height. So this is the difference between the two. This is lighter. And let's do a toothbrush comparison. So, like I said, toothbrush is smaller. This is the Umma Go. Toothbrush is smaller. It's even thinner. So like I said, it uses the same brush head. So if you have extras of these, you can use it. It's compatible for either one, the brush heads. So that's a bonus. You don't have to go buy like a whole new set of brush heads if you want the Umma Go for traveling. It uses the same head, so that's convenient. It has the same different light, different sounds, but it has that same sensitivity adjustment as the original, so that's good too. For it being small, it's powerful. They're about the same amount of loudness. Definitely works. The one positive that this one has that the original doesn't is it actually has this bottom part which pops out. I don't know if you can see. So it has the bottom part that actually pops open. So you can see, you can charge it that way. So you don't necessarily, so it comes with a cord and you just plug this in. Oh, wrong way. You plug this in and then it charges to any USB port. So it can charge if you are on the go and your base, the battery dies or whatever, you can still use the toothbrush or charge it. Or if you don't want to bring the base for whatever reason, you're just like, it's a quick trip, I don't need to bring the base, I don't have space, you can just bring the toothbrush and the cord and charge it that way. So that's one feature that I actually really like that the original doesn't have, is there's no way, you have to bring like the entire thing and the cord, and the cords aren't even compatible because it has the double prong. I don't know if you can see, yeah. So it has like the double prong here, so you can't even like use this cord to charge it. And there's nowhere on, like there's nowhere to charge it on the actual toothbrush. Like you have, the original, you have to charge it on the stand. So it doesn't really make great for traveling. Like you still could, I guess. But the Umma Go is definitely more travel friendly. It is definitely, like I said, a smaller design. It still has that UV base, but it's battery operated. So you can see right now it's working. The other one, I'd have to like get the cord out and all that. Overall, much smaller design. You know, you can charge this on the go, you sanitize it on the go. This one you got to plug in. So like I said, this one I'm going to keep for home use. We'll leave it on my counter just because it looks pretty. And that's my everyday toothbrush. This one I will probably save and use for traveling, or an overnight somewhere. Just, it's easier to take. I love that you can charge it on the go. I love that this still has this sleek design. Like it's not some ugly thing that you have to put on your counter. It's still aesthetically pleasing. It does come in white and black. So depending on your color preference of your kitchen or what color you prefer, this does come currently only in white and black. This one comes in a ton of different colors. So pros and cons, I'm sure they'll come out with some colors maybe in the future. I don't know. My discount code will still work on, like I said, anything on the Tail Clean website, the brush heads, any attachments. My code Mama Bear will give you 60% off. This is not currently on the website yet, but keep a lookout because this is launching soon. Super pumped for them. Super excited that they created a travel-friendly version of the toothbrush. I love this. It has kept my teeth white and sanitized. I don't have to worry about anything. So I love that they made a travel-friendly version. So yeah, so that is my compare and contrast. They have similar features. I will link the blog post below where I go in more depth on pros and cons of each one, or if you just prefer reading instead of watching me talk about it, I will link the blog post below. I will link the Tail Clean website below. My discount code Mama Bear will give you the 60% off site-wide. You can use it on every purchase, every time. Like I said, love the aesthetics of this. Love the differences. I wish this one had a charging port on the actual toothbrush. That's one pro that I like that this one has, is the ability to charge it on the go. You can charge it in your car or in your hotel room. Wherever you are that has a USB, you can charge it and use this toothbrush. So that's pretty cool. Once again, thanks to Tail Clean for sending this toothbrush for me to test out and review. Like I said, it still has the same powerful cleaning, so that hasn't changed. It's just the travel friendly version. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. Leave a comment below if you are super pumped about this travel toothbrush, or if you have this one and you're like, ooh, is it worth it? So definitely go check it out. Leave a comment down below what your favorite toothbrush brand is, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next video.